Okay, kids, time for a lot of people's favorite kind of weather. Can you think of what it is? Let's see. We've done sunny, we've done rainy, we've done windy. What kind of weather might you have if it's very cold outside? Snowy, right? Today is going to be our snowy day picture. All right, so here's what we're going to do. Actually, it's not a picture. We're going to make a snowflake. Okay, so you're going to use your white coffee filter. All right, your parents might need to help you a little bit with this. We're going to fold it. Fold it in half one way, fold it in half again. You might stop there. That might be a good place to stop. You could do one more fold, but it might be too thick for you to cut through, so you might want to just stop with 2 folds like that. And here's what you're going to do. You're going to make little cuts, okay? This is a little tricky, so watch carefully. Get your scissors ready. Remember, thumb in the little hole, couple of fingers in the big hole. Practice doing open, close, and then we're going to make some cuts on our triangle or shape, right? So we're going to go cut. I'm going to cut out kind of that triangle shape like I did before. Just let it fall right down. Okay, you can do any kind of cuts you want. Maybe you want to do like a circle shape. All right. Over here, I'll try another triangle shape, but try not to cut it too far through. You don't want to cut it all the way through. You just want to cut pieces off, okay? Like that. So try cutting some pieces off without cutting the whole thing through. Have your parents watch you and help you with this because it is tricky. All right, and then I'm going to do one more snip, and then when I'm all done, I'm going to open it up and we'll see what it looks like. Look at that. It kind of turned into a snowflake shape, didn't it? Okay, next step. Careful with this because it's kind of delicate. So put it down on your table and use your markers and do some coloring on your snowflake. When you color, try to hold your snowflake steady with one hand and color with the other so you don't rip your snowflake, okay? If you do rip it, don't worry. All snowflakes are different. So it doesn't have to look any certain way. And no matter how you do it, it's going to come out really pretty at the end. Okay. Do some coloring, however you want it to look. And then we're going to drop water on that color. So use your dropper again. Put it in the water. So what I tell kids is put it in, squeeze, and then let the squeeze go. Oops, before you take it out of the water, and it will fill with water. Okay, now carefully drop the water onto the color. If you can make it drip, like think of a drippy rainy day rather than pour, it might work better. So you can try different ideas. Maybe you try some drips on one and a little bit more on the other. And then when you're all done, your colors will kind of go together on your snowflake and it will look really pretty. And then let it dry. It's going to be pretty wet. But you can see the more color you do on it, the prettier it will be. I could have done more color, I think. But it's still pretty. And then let it dry, and then you can try hanging them up on your window. They look really pretty with the sun shining through them. So have fun with it. Bye for now.